Contour surveyors play a crucial role in the development and planning of cities like Faridabad. The process of contour surveying involves the measurement and mapping of the land's surface, highlighting its various features such as hills, valleys, and slopes. By accurately capturing these details, contour surveyors enable urban planners and architects to design buildings and infrastructure that are in harmony with the natural environment. In Faridabad city, where there is a mix of flat and undulating terrain, the expertise of contour surveyors becomes even more critical. They ensure that the construction projects in the city are carried out smoothly without any adverse impact on the surrounding landscape. One prominent name in the field of contour surveying in Faridabad city is SCON Design. SCON Design is a highly reputable firm known for its expertise in providing comprehensive contour surveying services. With years of experience and a team of skilled professionals, SCON Design has become a trusted partner for many developers and architects in Faridabad. Their commitment to accuracy and attention to detail sets them apart from their competitors. The services offered by SCON Design go beyond just capturing the contours of the land. They also provide topographic surveys, which involve mapping the existing features such as roads, buildings, trees, and water bodies. This information is crucial for effective urban planning and infrastructure development. By utilizing advanced technology and state-of-the-art equipment, SCON Design ensures that their surveys are precise and reliable. Furthermore, SCON Design understands the importance of staying up to date with the latest advancements in surveying technology. In the growth and planning of cities like Faridabad, contour surveyors are essential. Contour surveying is measuring and charting the surface of the ground, highlighting its many features like hills, valleys, and slopes. Urban designers and architects can create structures and infrastructure that are in harmony with the surrounding environment by using contour surveyors to precisely capture these nuances. The skill of contour surveyors is much more important in Faridabad city because the landscape is a mix of flat and undulating. They make sure that the city's building projects are carried out efficiently and without having an unfavorable effect on the surrounding environment. In the city of Faridabad, SCON Design is a well-known name in the contour surveying industry. The highly regarded company SCON Design is well-renowned for its proficiency in offering thorough contour surveying services. With years of experience and a staff of qualified experts, SCON Design has established itself as a reliable partner for several developers and architects in the Faridabad area. They stand out from the competition because of their dedication to precision and meticulousness. SCON Design provides more than just land contour capture in its services. They furthermore offer topographic surveys, which involve charting the already existing features including roads, houses, trees, and water bodies. Effective urban planning and infrastructure development depend on this information.